Hook. Building a sales funnel sounds complicated, but with AI you can sketch a simple, working version in about 30 minutes. In this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to map your offer, write a lead magnet, outline an email sequence and plan content that sends people into the funnel, even if you've never built one before. Value. First, get clear on your offer. Tell AI, you're a marketing strategist. Help me define one simple offer for your audience that solves their main problem. Ask me questions about price, format and promise, then summarize the offer in one paragraph and one sentence. Answer honestly and let AI push you to be specific. Second, create a basic funnel map. Say, based on this offer, outline a simple funnel. Traffic source, lead magnet. Idea, thank you page, 3 email sequence, and main call to action. Keep it beginner friendly. Now you can see the whole flow on one page instead of only in your head. Third, drill into assets. Ask AI to write a draft for your lead magnet outline, subject lines for your 3 emails, and bullet point scripts for 3 short videos that send people to your free resource. You don't need perfection, you need a version 1 you can launch and test. Once it's live, come back, paste in real numbers and ask AI how to improve open rates, click-throughs and conversions. It becomes an ongoing conversation, not a one-time project. CTA. If you want a plug-and-play prompt stack to design your first AI assistant sales funnel, save this video and comment funnel so I know to create a deeper step-by-step tutorial.